Hey guys, in this quick video, I'm going to show you the free alternatives that you can actually use to cross over Mac, and what are the things to be aware of. Now, the first one, this is the very popular one, is called Whiskey. So with the Whiskey, what you can actually get is that it's free and also it's open source. So no terminal setup, family design, pre-built tools, macOS integration, debugging made easy. Also, we got a great UI. So it uses Swift UI as a clean native Mac OS experience. You have easy setup, great performance, graphics support, bottle management. So keep in mind that Whiskey is only for ARM M chip series. So the Intel Mac users cannot use this. I don't know if it's going to be updated. I don't know when yours and it's also not actively maintained, as you can see right here. So as he just wrote here, I lost interest in the project when this income type consuming, I'm still student. And he's not getting paid for it. So that's something that you can try, but that's something to be aware of. Now the next one is Play on Mac. So Play on Mac is a free and open source. You can see right here. Right here, you're gonna have works on both architectures, installation scripts, multiple Wine versions, supports older software, but again, the UI feels older, also steeper learning curve, requires manual configuration, less active development, troubleshooting required, limited modern game support, no GPTK integration, and inconsistent results. So this is something that you can actually get from it, but that's something you have to be aware of. Mythic, another one, that's great for the Epic Games library. So it's also free and open source. Also Epic Games integration, you have great UI, then near native performance, game library management, local game support, artwork customization. So it only works for the Silicon only, Apple, NTG limitations, gaming focusing only, still in development. And the last one is Wineskin winery, sorry. So no cost to use. Also good for distribution, work with older Mac OS. But it's not actively developed. Okay, it's complex setup, tricky configuration, manual file selection. So these are the ones that I want to share with you. I know it's limited, but I hope it provides a little bit of value. Have a great day and goodbye.